Hello everybody, welcome back to channel Fantastic Machinery, WC2500DX Whole Tree Chipper, Power Meets Efficiency. The WC2500TX Whole Tree Chipper is designed for superior performance in demanding forestry and land clearing operations. Built with durability in mind, this high-capacity machine processes whole trees and large volumes of wood waste with ease, transforming them into high-quality wood chips. Its powerful engine delivers reliable, consistent output even in tough environments. Equipped with a robust feed system, the WC2500TX ensures efficient material handling, minimizing jams and downtime. Its intelligent design includes a wireless remote control for improved safety and operator convenience. The tracked undercarriage offers exceptional mobility, allowing the chipper to access difficult terrains and uneven ground with ease. Whether working in dense forests or expansive logging sites, the WC2500TX delivers maximum productivity while reducing manual labor. It's an ideal solution for those seeking to enhance operational efficiency and reduce costs in large-scale wood chipping projects. With its blend of power, technology, and versatility, the WC2500TX is a top choice for professional forestry teams. The NHS 450 is a powerful wood chipper that delivers efficiency and reliability for demanding forestry and landscaping tasks. Designed with performance in mind, this machine can handle large branches and trunks with ease, ensuring quick and clean processing of wood materials. Its robust construction and advanced safety features make it ideal for both professional and large-scale operations. Paired with the Vermeer 3800, a high-performance tractor, this setup becomes even more versatile. The Vermeer 3800 offers impressive power, precision, and durability, making it an excellent partner for the NHS 450 wood chipper. With its strong engine and advanced hydraulics, the Vermeer ensures seamless operation, allowing the chipper to work at its full potential. This combination was spotted in Hatterup, a town known for its rich agricultural landscape, where the NHS 450 and Vermeer 3800 are put to work in the challenging local environment. Together, they represent a solid partnership of engineering excellence, offering reliability, performance, and productivity for those who rely on high-quality equipment for their forestry and land management needs. Bandit horizontal crushers, Model 2680 and 3680 Beast. When it comes to reliable and heavy-duty wood grinding, Bandit's horizontal crushers, particularly the Model 2680 and 3680 Beast, stand as top-tier options. These machines are designed to tackle the tough demands of tree services, loggers, governmental agencies, and land-clearing contractors with efficiency and power. The Model 2680 is built for those in need of a grinder that combines power with easy transportation. With its compact and maneuverable design, this unit is perfect for job sites where mobility is a priority. The 2680 features a mill opening of 24 inches by 60 inches, providing ample space for processing large materials. It comes with engine options ranging from 365 to 440 horsepower, offering the flexibility to choose the level of power that best suits your needs. This machine is known for its versatility. It offers numerous teeth and screen options, allowing for customization depending on the specific type of grinding required, whether it's wood, brush, or other materials. With its robust design and powerful performance, the 2680 Beast has proven to be a workhorse in the field. It's capable of producing 300 or more yards per hour, making it an excellent choice for those needing to process significant amounts of material in a short time. The Model 3680 Beast Recycler is Bandit's most popular and widely used grinder for a reason. This machine surpasses other grinders in its class, consistently delivering exceptional performance and efficiency. The 3680 is equipped with a larger mill opening, measuring 33 inches by 60 inches, allowing it to handle even larger and bulkier materials with ease. It also offers more powerful engine options, ranging from 365 to a staggering 700 horsepower, ensuring that no job is too large for this beast. What sets the 3680 apart is its impressive production rate, with the ability to produce over 500 yards of material per hour. Whether you're recycling wood waste, processing construction debris, or grinding storm debris, this machine is designed to keep pace with your most demanding jobs. Like the 2680, it also comes with a range of customization options to optimize performance for specific applications. Both the 2680 and 3680 are built with durability and performance in mind, making them standout options for professionals who require top-quality grinding solutions.